Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I am going to show you how you can download Tapswap so that you can start tapping and earning your coins. First of all, I would like you to kindly subscribe to this channel and like this video because more updates are coming out. More updates videos are coming out. So now let's proceed. What you have to do is to download Telegram if you do not have it. Now let me make this clear. When you get to Play Store, do not download the wrong Tapswap. Now let me show you something. When you type Tapswap on the Play Store or App Store, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see Tapswap Kenya. Now let me let this known to you that Tapswap Kenya is not the right Tapswap app or Tapswap bot. So do not download this Tapswap Kenya. So what you have to do is to download Telegram if you don't have one. But if you have Telegram, you can just proceed. So head over to Telegram. Now download the Telegram. Now I already have Telegram in my app, so what I will just have to do is to open it. But if you do not have Telegram, download Telegram now, because Telegram is where you're going to use to access Tapswap bots. So now let me open the Telegram since I have already downloaded mine. Now I'm on the Telegram. So what am I going to do? When you open your Telegram, make sure that you create an account first before trying to get to the Tapswap. So once you have downloaded the Telegram and also gotten your account on Telegram, we successfully registered. So what you're going to do is to click the search tab, then type Tapswap. Now you're going to see two Tapswap. You're going to see Tapswap and Tapswap. Now you're going to click the one with the blue tick, because that is the real Tapswap. So just click the Tapswap with the blue tick. Now once you're on the Tapswap platform, what you're going to do is to click Start. Start is at the bottom of the platform. But if you have entered before, what you're going to do is to click Restart. So just click Start at the bottom of the platform, and then a message will pop out telling you to start now. So you just click Start now. You're good to go. You can now start tapping your coins and making your money. That is it. So this is the end of this video. Please kindly like this video and subscribe to this channel, because more videos will be coming out soon.